HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art.
Hi kids, look at this gorgeous rainbow heart. Do you fancy having a go at drawing and painting it? Oh, you do? We'll start with the baby one in the middle and then we just do bigger ones around the outside, getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And one more. There, ready to darken the border. We like a nice bold thick black colour because it really makes the colours stand out. Ready to paint? Start with red for the outside. You can use any colours you like, of course. Even different shades of the same colour would look fantastic. Perhaps you could start with the darkest on the outside and get lighter as you go into the middle. We're going to go for a lovely gold orange colour next. There, just following the shape around, staying in between the black lines. Let's go for yellow now. You see how we're getting lighter? Maybe we should change the pattern now. What do you think? Yeah, let's go for green. Green and yellow, those lovely citrusy colours. Followed by blue. And last but not least, purple for our baby heart in the middle. There, it's perfect, don't you think? I just love it. What a gorgeous, vibrant, sparkly rainbow heart.
Hi kids, are you ready to draw some shapes? Let's begin. Draw a circle and then a triangle. Yes, great. Can you guess the next one? It's a heart. And the last one, a square. Wasn't it easy? It's time to give our shapes happy faces. Draw eyes, color the pupils in, and a cute little smile. A face for our triangle. And don't forget the eyebrows. Next, a face for the heart. And the square too. Don't they look so cute? Next, let's do a neat outline for all the shapes. We did a great job! And now comes the best part, kids. We get to color in. A bright happy yellow color for our circle. Let's keep going, just like this. Here is our circle. Looks great. Let's move on to our triangle. A light green color. Let's stay within the lines, nice and neat. And here we have it, a triangle! Yay! Moving on to the heart. Pink will look great, don't you think? Let's color. Aren't you having fun? And done! A heart! Lastly, let's use orange for the square. We're almost done, kids. Our drawing looks great. It's such a happy, colorful picture and also a fun way to learn our shapes. We are done with the square. Here are all our shapes. Hope you had lots of fun. See you next time. Hey friends, today we're gonna draw a magic wand. First, we're going to make a big star. It's easy to make with upside down V's. There you go. Then we're gonna draw the stick. That's good. Keep going. Now I think I need to add some more stars, don't you? Yes. Let's outline this neatly. It's time to color. I want to use yellow for the star. What about you? For the handle, I'm going to use two colors, blue and orange. You can use whatever colors you want. I can't wait to use this magical wand. I think we can add different colors for the stars here. It looks great! And here we have it, magical wand. Hope you had fun!
Hey kids, can you count to 5? Just like on one hand, you've got 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wiggle your fingers. Number 1 is so much fun. Number 2 is friends with you. You can have fun with this and draw your smiley, happy face numbers. Just ask an adult for help. Number 2, with a smile and some eyebrows. Number 3 is filled with glee. 2 eyes. Number 4 next. Number 4 on the floor. What's next? That's right, it's number 5. Number 5 is so alive. Ooh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5 is so alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready to colour. Let's do number 1 yellow. I like to do number 1 yellow because number 1 is my favourite fellow. Super easy to colour in between the thick black border there. Number 2 can be orange. Number 2 is feeling the colour orange. Orange-licious! Yeah! Number 3 can be so blue. Like the sky when the sun's shining for you. Or sometimes when you're feeling sad, we say we're blue because we feel bad. Counting's my favourite thing to do, so I'll colour 3 in blue. Yeah! Which colour should we do 4? Pink, of course. I really love number 4, colour in pink, I don't want more. Oh yeah, that's the score, number 4. Last but not least, number 5. Let's do it green because 5 is alive. He likes to jig and jive, oh yeah, he's number 5. We love the colour green, number 5 loves to be seen. Ooh yeah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Hi! Today we're going to learn how to draw stairs. So we do these 2 lines and then a zigzag pattern joining them up. Now we do some long straight lines going across to make our steps. And by keeping it all diagonal like this, we're creating a kind of optical illusion, so it looks like steps that are kind of sticking out at you. So purple for the end. We're using a lovely sparkly paint. And now we're going to do each step a different colour. That will create a dimension and really make it look like a step that's sticking right out at you. Blue. If you wanted to, you could choose a colour pattern and just stick to a repeated pattern of 2 or 3 colours, but we like to use a different colour for each step. So we've gone for orange. Now green. So to create this stairs effect, you've got to draw almost like a right angle, but diagonal, sort of slanting downwards towards one corner. And if you keep the whole picture on a diagonal tilt like that, it gives this fantastic illusion. Yellow. Pink. Now let's go for a different shade of blue. 3 different shades of blue in this picture. Brilliant. And now we're going for red. We haven't done red yet. What colour shall we do the top of the stairs? Any guesses? How about emerald green? And there you have it. Beautiful, colourful stairs.